Hi Luz, just passing by to greet you. Happy birthday and happy retirement, my friend. Today is an extra special day as we celebrate not only your birthday, but also the remarkable milestone of your retirement. Happy birthday! May this new year of your life be filled with good health, happiness, peace, and countless blessings. You deserve every joy that comes your way. Congratulations on your well-deserved retirement. Your dedication, hard work, and friendship have touched the lives of so many. It has been a privilege to work alongside you, and your kindness, wisdom, and positive spirit will truly be missed. As you begin this exciting new chapter, may each day bring you new adventures, precious moments with your loved ones, and the freedom to enjoy the things you always wanted to do. Thank you for being not only an amazing colleague, but also a wonderful friend. Wishing you a birthday filled with love and laughter, and a retirement filled with endless happiness, good health, and beautiful new memories. Happy birthday, happy retirement, and best wishes always, my friend. Mwah!
Happy 61st birthday to my beloved, beautiful, and unique best friend. Your precious life is a gift from God, and I know I am grateful to Him for the many blessings you bring to this world. Enjoy your natal day, Ate Luz. I'm also wishing you the best in your retirement. May you have a happy, healthy life with your family and friends. God bless you more. Love you.
Retirement, Ma'am Luz. Cheers and enjoy!
It's not so much what we have as how we use what we have.
Happy retirement, Sister Luz. Amping kanunay o enjoy sa iyong pagretiro. God bless you always.
Ma'am Luz, si Angel de Animam, itong intern po ninyo batch 2024. Kamusta na ka, ma'am? I hope you are doing well and I hope that you are taking good care of your health. I just want to greet you po. Happy retirement and advance happy birthday po, ma'am. May God bless you always po, especially with good health. And unta, ma'am, dili na ka magpa-stress sa mga bagay-bagay since mag-retire na ka, ma'am. I hope you enjoy your retirement po and more birthdays to come pa po. More power po, ma'am, and God bless you po.
Happy birthday and happy retirement era, Ma'am Luz. I wish you all the best. May your days be filled with love, peace at the same time, with God's blessings. And then we are very happy na you're part, na part ka sa amo life, especially as my previous boss who give us knowledge. At the same time, you share with us your expertise, and then being a very patient boss, no, always good na adira ang para mutudlo sa amo. Thank you kayo, Ma'am Luz, and see you around. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ma'am Luz. Thank you for your years of hard work, guidance, and dedication. Wishing you a retirement as rewarding as the career you built. Take care of your health and God bless you always.
Happy birthday and happy retirement, Ma'am Lucy. Wishing you continued good health, lasting happiness, and all the best as you begin this new chapter of your life. Good luck and congratulations on your retirement, Auditor Luz, from your Omanaka family!
Hello, Ma'am Luz. Wishing you good health and happiness.
Ma'am Luz, retirement is life's way of saying the best is yet to come.
Hi, Ma'am Luz. Wishing you a happy moment in this new chapter.
Hi, Ma'am Luz. Retirement is not an end. It's the beginning of your great adventure. Yet and enjoy every moment. So,
happy birthday and happy retirement, Ma'am Luz.
The shadows of misty yesteryears, the good times and the bad you've seen, and all the others in between. Remember.
Happy
61st birthday, Ma'am Luz.
Wishing you a day filled with joy and well-deserved happiness. We also pray for your good health condition. Thank you for everything, Ma'am Luz, especially advices and consideration to our audit findings. Once again,
Happy birthday and enjoy your retirement, Ma'am Luz!
Po, Ma'am Luz. Magandang araw po. Nais ko pong batiin kayo sa araw na ito ng inyong pagre-retiro. Nais ko ipabot ang aking taus-pusong pasasalamat sa inyong napakahabang panahon ng tapat, mahusay, at marangal na paglilingkod sa bayan. Isang malaking karangalan po sa amin, sa Department of Migrant Workers, Regional Office 11, ang makilala at makatrabaho kayo bilang aming auditor. Maraming salamat sa inyong paggabay, pagiging makatarungan, at sa mataas na antas ng profesionalismo at integridad na inyong ipinakita sa bawat pagkakataon. Ang inyong dedikasyon sa tungkulin ay naging inspirasyon sa amin at sa iba. Hindi lamang kayo naging isang mahusay na auditor, kundi naging huwaran din kayo ng katapatan, kababaang loob, at malasakit sa kapwa. Ang mga aral at payo sa inyong ibinahagi ay manatiling baon po namin sa aming patuloy na paglilingkod. Habang sinisimulan ninyo ang panibagong yugto ng inyong buhay, dalangin ko na pagkalooban kayo ng buong may kapal, ng mabuting kalusugan, kapayapaan ng isip, at mas marami pang masasayang sandali. Kasama ang inyong pamilya at mga mahal sa buhay. Naway maging makabuluhan at puno ng biyaya ang bawat araw na inyong pag-retiro. Maraming salamat sa lahat, Ma'am Luz. Hindi matatawaran ang inyong naging ambag at serbisyo. Hindi namin malilimutan ang iyong kabutihan at dedikasyon. Muli, taos puso kami bumabati sa iyo, sa inyong matagumpay na pagre-retiro. Naway, patuloy kayong pagpalain ng Diyos sa bawat hakbang ninyong bagong paglalakbay. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po kayo, Ma'am Luz.
Migrant Workers Regional Office 11.
Thank you and happy retirement, Ma'am Luz!
Hello, Ma'am Luz! As you begin this new chapter, may God bless you with good health, lasting happiness, and countless blessings. Best wishes on your retirement and wonderful journey ahead from your accounting, budget, and cashier family. Love, love, love! Enjoy!
Happy retirement, Ma'am Luz! Goodbye, pension! Hello, pension! No more RE! God bless!
From Oriental Dagoeños, happy birthday, Ma'am Luz! Wishing you all the best and happy retirement!
Ma'am Luz, congratulations on your well-deserved retirement. Wishing you good health, happiness, and many fulfilling years ahead.
Thank you for your dedication and service. Best wishes on this new chapter. From Dole Davao del Norte Field Office, happy birthday and happy retirement, Ma'am Luz!
Happy birthday and congratulations on your retirement, Ma'am Luz. Today is a truly special celebration as we honor both your birthday and your incredible career. Your contributions will always be remembered and appreciated. As you begin this exciting new chapter, may you enjoy good health, happiness, and more time doing the things you love. You deserve every blessing that comes your way.
Happy birthday and happy retirement, Ma'am Luz!
Good day, Ma'am Luz! From here, sa Dole Gacos Extension Office, we are happy for you and I hope that you have a very wonderful birthday this coming July 5th. And nalipay mi na kahimamat ta no here sa Dole Gacos, and we learned a lot of from you also and some good insights. And also, this is your retirement day sa July 1. And murag paspas kayo ang panahon. I know you still wanted to work some more, but some seasons has to end for another season to come. I hope that you will be enjoying a new journey of your life.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Luz!
Happy birthday!
Ay, Ma'am Luz! Tay, tayo naman na ikaw eh. Tamingan po sa imong retirement, mapapot sa hulog sa imong birthday. Salamat kay Ma'am Luz ha, kaya kung wala ko na matabangi, basi ko na ko pagsamot akong sa allowance, na nasayot ni nga ang mga pagbiya, basta na for good din sa Ma'am Luz. So thank you kayo from Davao del Sur Field Office.
From the Ordone Davao del Sur Field Office family, thank you, happy birthday, and happy retirement, Ma'am Luz. We will miss you!
Hello, Ma'am Luz. Unta maayo imong kondisyon karon, ma'am. Naminaw ug natanaw ani imong mga greetings. Ma'am Luz, in behalf sa ato ang team sa Dolly, ma'am, dako kayo ang pasalamat sa imong tanan na share, ma'am. Labi na gayud imong wisdom, knowledge, teaching sa mo, ma'am, na mapaayo na mo among trabaho, Ma'am Luz, ug labi pud ang mga personal life na advices, Ma'am Luz. Salamat kaayo kini, Ma'am Luz. You are always be our inspiration, ma'am, sa pag trabaho with dedication, with full dedication, hard work, and perseverance, ma'am. And we always thankful, ma'am, na ihatagan nimo bili o importansya ang mga output. Ipagwapon nimo among mga AOM, ma'am, gikan sa gubot, gipahimo nimo nindot. Panindot nimo mayo, ma'am, na mga understand na, concise na siya o kanang na-energy consistency. We always thankful for that, ma'am, kay imong pagtabang sa mua, especially imong mentorship sa mo ni Philip o sa mga staff sa Dolly, ma'am, Kowa Dolly, o kanang almost 3 decades na kasi imong panarbaho, ma'am, as public servant na faithfully, honestly, nagtrabaho jud ka, o kanang almost 3 years na pud ta nag-uban, ma'am. Karon wala na ko overtime body ani, for sige lang. Pray lang pud ni Ma'am Luz na makasug ako ni sa mga trabaho, ma'am. And now is the time, ma'am, na to relax na, no more stress sa work, o kanang we pray na maka-fully recover na ka, Ma'am Luz, and you enjoy your time, quality time sa imong pamilya, loved ones, and
Hello, Ma'am Luz. Kumusta ka? Yan na good. It's really a blessing for both of us na we have reached our retirement this year. Although I was able to get there 3 months ahead of you. So looking back, I can say that God is indeed faithful. He has answered our prayers and allowed us to reach this important milestone in our lives. Ma'am Luz, during your watch as our auditor, you were not just the auditor assigned in our office. You became our mentor, our trusted guide, our teachers to our accounting staff in the office. You patiently shared your knowledge regarding budget utilization, accounting and auditing practices, and policies, helping them or helping the office or guiding the office that our work should always uphold integrity, accountability, and good governance. And syempre, every auditor who served in our office has taught us something valuable. But your dedication and sincerity made a lasting impact on all of us. So, karon, i-celebrate nato imong retirement. Our hearts are joyful with you as you continue your journey towards recovery. So, of course, nasad po ni sa katong hitabo
Pero at least hindi pa ipod may kain naka-recover ka, although hinay-hinay lang. So we are praying that God will grant you the renewed strength, complete healing and peace. We know that the same God who has carried you throughout your years of faithful public service will continue to watch over you and your family. Retirement is not the end of our journey. So, naka-experience ko. So, nanibago pa ko karon. Pero, sige lang. Padayon lang gihapon na. So, no matter what life brings after retirement, may we continue to treasure our friendship that we have built, the memories we have we have shared, and the lives we have touched through the years of public service. So, congratulations, Ma'am Luz, on your well-deserved retirement. Thank you for your guidance, your kindness, and your unwavering commitment to excellence. May God bless you with good health, abundant joy, and many more beautiful years ahead. We love you, we appreciate you, and we will continue to keep you in our prayers. God bless you always, Ma'am Luz. Congratulations.
Ma'am Luz, happy birthday in advance and happy retirement. Thank you ug daghang kayong salamat nga kita nagkauban. Siguro mga tuig kapin or pila pa ka tuig bulan, ako nagpasalamat ko because of your guidance og sa imong mga sugyot og kanang imong gipang sulti nga makatabang sa mo labi na sa paggamit sa tama sa ato mga resources sa gobyerno. Daghang kayong salamat niya. Nagpasalamat ko kay nga mo ang departamento labi na sa Region 11 maayo ang pagdala o tungod ka na sa imong pagdumala o sa supervision nimo, Ma'am Luz, kauban si Ma'am Jasmine, o sa kaubanan nimo sa Kuwa Residentry sa Dole 11. Kanya, subo man, pamantion nga ang imong birthday, imo pong retirement, pero ako gyapong ipabot ang among pasalamat o pagdayeg o inubanan sa among pagsalig o pagampo nga kita kanunay magauban ang Ginoo sa atong pagdumala at least sa ato ang pagserbisyo. Sa imo kay mo retire naman ka, moingon siya ko advance happy birthday, happy retirement og happy Millionaires Day. Dawat naman kasi mo milyon. Kanya ako po, Ma'am Luz, pabalhin po ko sa NIR sa pagkadawat siguro ni maning mensahe na nasugo ko sa NIR kay ako ang effectivity po dito sa Negros Island Region. Ako ang bagong regional director. Sa July 6 po na akong turnover po. Mabiyak po dito sa region. Siguro July 4 or 5 kayo. Travel pa man ko. Ang atong bagong regional director karon taga Region 8, si Attorney Dax Villaruel. Yan siya na karon ang imong katimbayayong kung dili pa man ka mo retire, kuyog ni Ma'am Jasmine, siya karon ang regional director sa Element. Sa mas kausa Ma'am Luz, ang tanan natong pagserbisyo, ang imong paghatag og giya og supervision, dako kayong tabang kanamo. Ikasubo nga ikaw mo retire pero kami nagapasalamat kay ikaw nagahimo og nagahatag kanang panahon. Kami makatabang og tama ang paggasto o paggamit sa atong resources. Daghang salamat, happy birthday, advance happy retirement, o God bless us always.
Happy birthday and happy retirement, Ma'am Luz. Thank you for steering us in the right direction to be excellent present and future public servants. May this new chapter bring you good health, happiness, and many wonderful moments. You will be greatly missed. From your NDAS 5 audit team, R1119 fam. Yay!
They say the holy water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually, so if our time is running out, day after day we'll make the mundane our masterpiece. Oh my, oh my love, I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. You're laying me down to the dead and buried.